Hello and welcome to the non-technical screencast for CSE 360 Project 2. If you are an admin, or instructor, oh my god, my bad. Let me go ahead and delete it. In case you're an admin or what? Should have closed. Did close. If you're an admin or instructor, for admins, you have to be the one to set up the system. When you make an account, it'll ask you to create an account, and then you can log in. As usual, this part hasn't changed since the last part. And now on your admin home screen, you'll have a new button. My bad. You'll have a new button here called Article View, which will take you to this view. If you want to create a new article, you can type in a name, a body, and give it a group. For example, let me just give it Group A, and it'll appear in the list. If you want to delete an article, you can just click on it, select it, and then it'll delete. And you can add it back. If you want to back up an article, you can just type in a file that you'd like to back it up into. So if you have articles of a different group, so for example, let me say, even potentially identical ones, so let me just give it Group A instead. Let's say I only want to back up articles in A. I can filter for A and then back up to back. And then if I want to restore stuff, it will only restore those backed up articles. So for example, if I destroy this one, and I restore from file, it doesn't do anything because it didn't back up that article because it wasn't from the Group A, I only backed up Group A. Okay. So another thing you can do is that, of course, you can log in and you can give someone instructor powers. So let me go ahead and add a one-time invite code for I, just as in the first part. This part hasn't changed. You one-time log in, and you can create an account here. The instructor can create their account, rather, and you fill stuff in. Of course, they'll have to fill in their details, and here they have a button called Article Management View, which brings them to the exact same menu. And indeed, they can access the same stuff that you can. They can also create articles, they can also delete articles in the same way, they can back up, they can restore, everything else works as intended, so this is very easy to use.